Hi, this is Raleigh. Welcome to Fish Keeping Jamaica. I am presently at the Whole Harbour Bay Fishing Village. Let's join my experience. This is a local fish market. Market is where individual peddle their fish. Now, I know this is a channel which looks at ornamental fishing, but in everything you have different in everything that you do, you have different sides, and this is just one side. This is the local fish market in Whole Harbour Bay, right? Different type of fish. For example, they would name a fish like the poison snapper. Right, it's a type of snapper which actually when you touch it, your fingers swell. Right, and they have a different type of fish which have various names. They have a different name for different fish. Right, this is just like the Greenwich Farm Fishing Village. You have the bunks in which they actually store like the engine and the equipment. This is one, right? This is another. A little bit smaller than Greenwich Farm one. This is it. Okay. I guess these things here are placed here for a reason. Container user. As usual. Fish will enter, get trapped. Crack a knife, man. Crack I go stab somebody with that. How that? You put that in a gun to shoot the fish. So, Whole Harbour Fishing Village, as usual, in Jamaica. The boats are left at the seashore when they are not being used. They are only taken in on land whenever there's storm, right? Okay, and these are the boats. You notice the boats they are built in such a way that the engine can be readily taken off and on. The boats are mostly, what I call it now, a mixture between fiberglass, fiberglass, and some sections are board like the inside. The place where you have the seats, right? Okay, beside every fishing village is a wetland, and this is no exception. This is a wetland over there, and the wetland is like nursery for young fish. So as the fish spawn, it leaves and go back out to sea. When the fish spawn, the babies get big, they go out to sea, and the fishermen are able to actually use these fish as a means of living. So therefore, fishermen are not allowed to actually fish within these areas. This boat look like it just coming from sea. Catch shrimps. Oh, lobster. Outside door, what the scale outside door big is?
15 pounds.
We have to dial up.
What?
We have to dial up.
Hold up.
Outside door. One day. Them the pies and grouper. Why they call them so? Took your money off of that.
All of them good.
Them good. Hungry head, is he bone pan the head? Took him bone and swell up the hand.
Yeah, go snap them, man.
Stop them, man. Put them on the phone, man.
Yeah, me have it, man. Me have it. We're on the seashore. As usual, in Jamaica, not much investment is done by government officials so as to help the fisher folk maintain a standard that is palatable for everybody, both international and local. Right? The beach is dirty. Water actually just sits on the beachfront, right? Coming from offshore. See, all of this water is from drainage coming from the nearby community. However, the good thing about it is that fish is not being traded here. This is just where the boats are offloaded by the fishermen as they come from the Petro Keys or from Rocky Point with their stock of fish. You have probably 3 or 4 different group of people working here. You have 1, the actual fisherman. 2, you have those who unload and offload. You have 3, the one who actually vend the fish to the vendor, right? I have 4, the vendor who actually sell the fish to the small consumer, right? These are just buckets in which the fish are used. These are just buckets in which are used to hold fish that are caught at sea, right? So what will happen is that these containers will be filled with ice. Will be placed into the boat along with some other items, items that fishermen will need, like food, water, those things, right? And then now, as the fish is caught at sea, the fish is placed into those containers, and you will see several of them lying down all over the place, right? When the fish do come from sea, boat do come from sea, all of this will be offloaded, and there now you have the different type of individual coming in and doing their work. Now these are the same birds that we saw the same type of birds that we saw at the Guinness, right? They are searching for like scraps, like when they do clean the fish, the guts and all of that, it is eaten by these creatures, right? By the heron and by the seagulls, or seagull or whatever you call them. And some of them even go to the extent of diving for fish, right? The boats are aligned as if they are preparing to go to sea, right? Where they are tied on a rope that is anchored some meters away from the seashore. Yeah, very dirty.
It's very hot around here. Of course.
We didn't go there.
So, everybody always wants